my. That's what they do when you put them in somewhere different. When I put them out in the shop, they'll do that for a while. Whenever you put them somewhere new, they carry on. There's little Coco. Everybody loves little Coco. My granddaughter and my daughter and Jen's, they just love her. This is Jen's new favorite now. He used to like orange and white, but he just loves Coco.